Hey guys, it's Eng here and welcome back to another quarantine day in the life. Today is Saturday. I'm just hanging out with my little man Logan here.
Hi.
Nate is actually out of town for work this entire weekend, so it's just going to be the two of us. Hope you guys will join us and see what we're going to be doing today. Now let's get started. The first chore that I do each morning is make my bed, and since today falls on my weekly bed sheet washing day, I'm going to remove all the bed sheets including the mattress pad and throw them into the wash and put new sheets back on. I'm also going to be washing my comforter as well. I do this about every 2 to 3 weeks. These top-loading washers which have an agitator just drive me nuts sometimes because when I'm washing certain items like a fitted sheet which has an elastic, sometimes it gets wrapped around the agitator and it's really difficult to remove and it's just so irritating to me. Marshmallows.
We need peepees too. Can I put the marshmallows in? Wait, what happened to the... I thought we used the marshmallows. There's like none left in here, Mom.
How is there none left in there when it's the whole bag?
Mom, we still have the Rice
And
Krispies.
then we need...
We're gonna use this?
Yeah, should we put Rice Krispies in there too?
Yes.
Oh wait, there's no more. Where's the Rice Krispies?
I know where they are, Mommy.
Where? It's not there anymore. Somebody ate it. Okay, move it. Okay, now I need to get butter. Yeah.
Is it video?
Right now we are just getting the ingredients ready to make some s'mores crispy treats. Logan loves to help me out in the kitchen and that's great because I think when he grows up it's going to teach him a lot of great life skills. How does it splash? Okay, pour it in.
It splats, Mom.
Pour it all. Oh, there. Yes. Yes. Okay. I don't think there's enough marshmallow in here. Oh my god. Okay, this is messy. After the treats are made, I'm going to soak the pot in some Dawn dish soap and warm water. This will help make washing the pot way easier later. Since the kids are learning from home, Logan spends about 2 hours a day doing his schoolwork. Right now we're just going over the assignments that are due for this day. Then I will leave him to do his work, and he is pretty good at doing it independently. While Logan is doing his schoolwork, I'm going to be returning back to the kitchen once again and reheat some food for lunch. So the fried chicken is done being reheated. This is actually from Popeyes. It is leftovers from yesterday's lunch. I was actually going to heat up some leftover Cuban pork that I made for dinner last night, but since Logan wanted the leftover fried chicken and there was only 2 pieces left, I might as well just heat up the other one. So we'll both have fried chicken for lunch right now, and then later on tonight we'll have the pulled pork for dinner. And then I just heated up some of the cilantro and lime rice from last night, and then this is the rice and beans from Popeyes. I don't know if some of you guys can relate, but since this whole quarantine thing, I've been eating so bad. I've been feeling bad, so then that leads me to eating bad food, and then the bad food makes me feel bad. So it's just like a circle, a never-ending circle that's just going on and on and on. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, and then Monday I feel like I need to get back on my healthy eating kick again. Okay, this is what the s'mores Krispie treats looks like when they're cooled down. We cut into them and had a little taste. And honestly, I think they are just way too sweet. I think I'm just gonna stick with the good old Rice Krispie treats. I think they are the perfect sweetness, but these I probably won't be making them again. What do you think about these treats, Lo? Yay or nay?
Stomach ache.
You have a stomach ache, but you're still eating it.
Yeah, because I want to finish this. I don't want to waste it.
Okay, good. Later that night, I did end up making Rice Krispie treats. Right now, we are just going for a walk in the afternoon. Since this whole quarantine thing, I have been taking longer walks and have been so blessed that we have good weather here. Hey guys, so it's the very next day. It is Sunday. I thought I would just make a whole weekend vlog. Yesterday's vlog would have been too short, so I thought just add today's vlog and it would be like a decent video. First thing I did this morning was go to Costco. I got there about 10 minutes after they opened, and I saw that there was a very long line. I think what they're doing is letting only a certain amount of people in the store, and once they leave, they let the next round of people in, and I was not going to be standing in that line. So I think I'll try again tomorrow and just go like in the middle of the day instead. We are down to our last 6 rolls of toilet paper, and that's what I wanted to see if they had. Not a surprise, but I am once again back in the kitchen. I feel like I spent a lot of time in here cooking, cleaning, repeating. And this is true even before the quarantine. For lunch, we're having grilled cheese with a side of vegetables and dip. I'm also cooking up these chicken tenderloins that are going to be used for salads, and then later on I will have some for dinner as well. I am making a salad for Nate's lunch tomorrow at work. I'm also going to be adding some of that chicken that you saw me cook up earlier. As you can probably tell, I love staying busy around the house, and that means doing a lot of chores. Right now, I'm going to vacuum the house, which I do on a daily basis because I have a dog and he sheds like no other. Up next, I'm going to play some Xbox. Just kidding. I'm going to watch Reign on Netflix. It's spelled R-E-I-G-N. It's just like another medieval show. While doing that, I'm going to be folding up some sheets. I'm fulfilling an order for one of my Etsy shops, Pink Lotus Ink. This is a custom name clip that you can use in your planner or as a bookmark. I'll leave the link to my shops in the description if you're interested. This is the best seller in the shop, and I love making these because each one is one of a kind and it makes a great gift. I made one for all Logan's teachers and they are so in love with them. For dinner, I'm roasting some sweet potatoes in the air fryer and having it with some chicken and broccoli. Sorry I'm such a terrible vlogger and leave a lot of things out, but I'll post a picture of the dinner here soon. And that concludes this weekend's vlog. I know it wasn't very exciting, but it's a change from the cleaning videos. Let me know if your days are similar to mine and what you're doing to pass the time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll help me out by giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. I'll see you on my next one.